Alright guys, here's another lawn care business tip for you, especially for commercial properties. Now, the first thing you want to do is edge and turf line your property as good as possible, and then mix some T-necks or some edgeless, and I'll leave a link in this video description, and walk around the whole perimeter and spray it at a 6-inch band, and you would not have to edge this property at least for the entire month, because it'll minimize the growth of the lawn in that particular area for a long time. Now make sure that you read the label for your specific turf and mix it accordingly. Okay, read the label, mix it accordingly. All right guys, hope this tip helps, and leave your comments in the video description. Pop Spoke. Peace.